What is up guys, and welcome to this new video where I will show you how you can install the Traxxas roof skid plate on the Traxxas Xmaxx. All you'll be needing is the drill for the holes and then the tools for the Traxxas Xmaxx. With that all said, we jump straight into the video. Here is the Traxxas roof skid plate for the Xmaxx, part number 7817. So first of all, to install this roof skid plate, you need 4 holes in the body. And that we're going to be drilling with this drill. So here we go. We will start by drilling 4 holes in the support here. So we will begin that now with a small drill. There we go. So now we have 4 holes in the top of the body here. So that is the markers for the big drill. The next part is going in with the big drill in the small holes we have marked here. But to prevent to damage the support, we're going to dismount the support. Like that. And now you're just going to pull the support through the body like that. So now we have the support taken away from the body. So the next part is to drill the bigger holes through the small ones. To drill the big holes, I'm using a 7.5 millimeter drill to start with. So now we're going to drill the bigger holes. So now we are going to test if it fits. Off camera, I did a little bit more drilling with an 8 millimeter drill to make the skid plate fit, because 7.5 millimeter didn't work. So now you're just going to see if it fits. So it's a little bit tricky, so I'm going to do this off camera, but I reassure you it's going to work. Now the skid plate is on, and it took some time, but it worked. So the next part is to remount the protector, so we shall do that now. So now it's just time for screwing the screws back in. And here be careful so you don't strip any screws. Use the minimum setting, like I didn't do here, but use the minimum setting so you don't strip any screws. Now that we have put the protector back on, it's time to screw the skid plate down with the screws that you got with the skid plate. So that is the next part that we are going to do now. Now I have gone over all the screws one more time with this little screw to tighten the skid plate down. So now it's on. Here are the results. And that's how easy it is to put the Traxxas skid plate on the Traxxas Xmaxx. So the final part is showing the truck itself with the body. Like that. Doesn't that look really amazing? So that is how you mount the Traxxas ski plate on the Traxxas Xmaxx. Hope you liked this video, and if you haven't already done it, like and subscribe this video. So see you in the next one.